Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a hodgepodge of stuff from a couple of different stores. And so I'm just jump right in. From the Dollar Tree, I got like 3 of these little smash book, the little key and lock tabs that you can put on the outside of albums. And for the price, you know, these are really good to have. Just got 3 of those. I did pick up these. I just like the metallic on them for different projects. And more pens, and some of these for some storage ideas. The clear ones and the red and the gray one. So got those. That was the Dollar Tree. And a little pair of those little scissors for fussy cutting. And some more silver bags, the 3x4 20 pack. Then I went to Ollies and I got a pack of vellum paper for 79 cents, 15 sheets, and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different designs. The Nina. So I got that. And I picked up some more napkins. So this is the Berlin. I already have the London and the Italy one. I believe there's 4 in these series, but anyway, I love the color scheme, that Merlot and that black and gray. So hoping to find more of these. I guess just different cities, but for some reason, I don't know why, I think I saw somebody do something a long time ago with 4 different ones of this, but I could be wrong. But anyway, so I have 3 of the 4. These are very similar, but just different crustaceans. One's a crab and one's a lobster. And this says catch of the day, and that's his market price. I really like them for the colors. But again, you know, if I decide to do something nautical, I have some other stuff to go with it. I have the seahorse and some other ones, but I like the red, of course, and the blue. And, yeah. Then I went, of course, to TM. And this old calendar, I thought this would be a nice background for my art journal, and it was free. It rang up 0, and she ended up charging me 70 cents, but really it's free. It says 0. She get it for 0, but she asked me because she rang it up for 70 cents. So I did get it for 70 cents. So that's cheaper than dollar store. So it's just those, you know, those Monet kind of watercolor paintings and stuff. And of course, I thought maybe my Primo or something else. Primo Dollar or something else. I was excited. I got there when they pulled this off the truck, and this is August 20. So this is for August. This is still July. So yeah. But by the time this video will be up, it's probably gonna be late. Correspondence. This the Correspondence Paper, and of course this is the Ideology line by Tim Holtz, 36 pack. And I like this little course because it actually has some colors in it. You know, most of the time it's really muted, but they're double-sided, and I love the little splash of red and blue in there. So yeah. And then a couple of dies, clearance stuff. And this one, I guess, rang up for like $2. It was 60% off. So we got 3-piece dies, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't remember if I picked this up or not. It's a B stamp set. And I think it was $2.39 or something. And then this was $4.99. And the Earth Laughs in Flowers. So it's 3 dies. It's 3 stamps. I kind of like this spellbinder set. This one on clearance, and this one says, "What I make with my hands, I give up my heart," which is something I used to say. Not making my hands, but my hands follow my heart. It's kind of like I used to say that, meaning that, you know, if I love somebody, I'm more willing to use my hands to help them to do things for them. So I used to say that. So I decided to get that one. And this one was on clearance, and it says, "Take time to take it easy, chill, feel true love, nope, go away." I really got it because it was on clearance. Excuse me, sorry. And that is my haul from a few places. And then met one of the girls there, and she gave me some more napkins. So that was from one of the other girls in the group. She has some more napkins she's got, and so she swapped those. Well, gave those to me, and I gave her some that I had. And then the other girl, which I thought was so nice, she actually stamped and she inked this up with that. I hauled the same stamp from Joanns, the big gray one with the background. Look at that. And she did that, made it decorative. I love it on both sides. So she didn't just give me a brown paper bag. She gave me a presentation. I was like, yes. And these are some of the ones she gave me. Don't worry and be happy with your flamingo. Then this is like a vintage ones with the kids near the train. Mosaics. It's a floral. And she gave me these two everything. Another printed background. Again, you can cut these pieces out. And I love this pop of black in that one. With the flowers, some more flowers. And got butterflies on it with that one. And this has a hint of purple. You don't get too many purple ones, so that was kind of cool to have that one as well. And then this one has an Eiffel Tower in it. Got your birds. You got your nice big butterfly. That'd be nice to fussy, well, not fussy cut, but use your water pen. And then this one, I've got the music notes in it. And I love these vibrant colors on that one with the butterflies. And then you got your hint of Patty in the blue. And then again, you got your bicycle. Butterfly script. And then here's another one. Life is a journey. Enjoy the ride. We all do need to, because you can't change it anyway. Well, can't stop certain things, but you can change certain things. You can drive down the right street. And then that one. Then another one of those. A couple more of those. And then this one, mocha and coffee cappuccino. So that is my haul, and that is my napkins that I got this week from my girls. So anyway, we're going to be doing some stuff with this on our lives. We're going to be doing challenges. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, and God bless.